For question 13, given complex number 1, 2 minus 3i, complex number 2, 4 plus 2i, without using calculator, find complex number 3 where conjugate of complex number 1 divided by complex number 2, and hence evaluate the modulus of complex number 3. First, the conjugate of complex number 1 is 2 plus 3i. So in order to find complex number 3, we need to use the conjugate of complex number 1 divided by complex number 2, which is 4 plus 2i. So when we're doing division of complex number, we need to time with its conjugate. So conjugate for the denominator complex number, it will be 4 minus 2i. Here, when we're doing complex number time with its conjugate, we can directly do a squared plus b squared. So therefore, for denominator a squared, 4 squared will become 16 plus b, which is 2 squared, which is equals to 4. So for numerator complex number, we're going to expand one by one. 2 times 4, we get 8. 2 times 2i, we get negative 4i. And then 3i times 4, we get 12i. And then 3i times negative 2i, we get 6i squared. Simplify this operation of complex number, where I squared is equals to negative 1. So here will be positive 6 plus 8, we get 14. And then negative 4i plus 12i, we get positive 8i. Denominator 20. So lastly, we have to express our complex number in standard form, where our real part is 14 over 20, simplified to 7 over 10. Imaginary part will be 8 divided by 20i, so it will give us 2 over 5i. Hence, means we will continue using this complex number 3 to find its conjugate. In order to find its conjugate, it will be equals to square root of a squared plus b squared, where a squared is 7 over 10, b squared is 2 over 5. So simplify this, we can get 0.8062. So bear in mind, our significant figure must be more than 3 significant figures. So here we have 4 significant figures, or we can write our answer in third form, which is 65 over 10. Here we're going to look at what is the concept important here. For the first one, when we're doing division, here is have important concept 1 marks for doing its conjugate. Then how we simplify the multiplication and its complex number multiplication here. Another concept. Finally, our answer must be expressed in standard form. Then for the next part will be the concept on how you're going to do the modulus of complex number. Finally, simplify its answer.